There we go. The second 30 of the day. Hold him still, man. Yeah?
Yeah.
1 o'clock in the morning. Furnace. Big old catfish. I don't want to touch him because I don't want to get in a mess at this time in the morning because I want to go back to bed. But there we go. Let's put him back, eh? What's that rod down there? Eh? What's your rod down there? Let's dive around that side, mate. I've got more room.
That's the guy, isn't it?
Here he goes. There he goes.
Ain't bad, is it? Don't mind getting woken up in the night for them, do you?
Mate.